Hey there! Are you tired of spending endless hours poring over lengthy PDFs and documents? If you're a student or teacher, you're certainly not alone. But fear not, because we've got a solution for you. In this video, we'll introduce you to LightPDF AI for Docs, the web-based chatbot that can revolutionize your study and work efficiency. LightPDF AI for Docs is a powerful AI-powered tool that allows you to quickly extract important content and data from large-scale or lengthy documents. It can help you create notes, summaries, and tables instantly, and it works with popular file formats including PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and ePub. If you're a student, all you need to do is upload your document to the website and start asking questions of the chatbot. It even provides preset questions related to the file you upload. This makes it incredibly easy to gather data from the manuals you've uploaded. And if you're a teacher, you'll love how quickly and easily you can create lesson plans and exams from long topics on your PDF files. Just put your questions in the chat box and let the chatbot do the rest. As a content creator myself, I can tell you that this tool has saved me a ton of time in preparing the content I need to provide every day. And there are even more advantages to using this tool. You can use all of its features for free, there are no restrictions on file size or usage, and it provides maximum security and privacy for all the documents you upload to its website. Of course, as with any AI-powered chatbot, there may be times when you need to check the information manually to ensure accuracy. But overall, this tool is a game changer when it comes to analyzing long PDFs and documents. So what are you waiting for? Check out LightPDF AI for Docs today and start improving your daily study and work experience. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful and efficient tips to boost your efficiency.